Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to uninstall Xampp from Mac. Click Go. Click Go to folder. Type /application/Xampp. Double-click Uninstall. Type password. Click OK to continue. Click OK to continue. Click Go. Click Go to folder. Type /application. Delete Xampp folder. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.